Many companies experience challenges when going through the various steps that constitute the product approval process. With the various stakeholders and approvers involved, information is often lost in undocumented email chains and phone calls. This results in the presence of unapproved products on site, which, according to regulatory bodies, is an EH&S hazard. ERA uses advanced AI and information technology to standardize, automate, and digitize every step of the product approval process, giving you a more reliable and scalable solution. Our innovative software can automate material approval through configurable information collection forms, smart and flexible workflows, and data analytics. Let's go over how ERA's solution can benefit you. Expedite the product approval process while avoiding non-approved products from entering the shop floor. There are multiple people involved in every stage of the process, and with ERA's software, you have increased visibility on the process informing managers of the stage and status of their approvals at all times. This ensures that everyone stays up to date and organized throughout the entire process, allowing you to funnel more products for approval. Centralize product data for multiple facilities by eliminating redundant product reapprovals. Some products are consistently used across many facilities, and approving them individually for each facility can be a tedious process. For instance, if you have 5 products to be approved for 12 facilities, you would need to go through the process 60 times. With ERA's solution, you will only have to go through the steps once for each product. Information on approved products can also be easily transferable to newly added facilities, freeing up your EH&S staff to focus on other critical tasks. You can pre-select required internal and external regulations for review, creating a dynamic table to help you visualize all the rules associated with your product. With over 2 decades of product approval experience, the software provides vetted, off-the-shelf forms that are also configurable to meet your exact needs. This module seamlessly integrates with ERA's other solutions such as environmental compliance, SDS authoring, and SDS management to give you a holistic report on your products. If you would like to discuss ways to increase your product approval efficiency, feel free to schedule a complimentary call with a project analyst today.